Welcome to the last part of the algebraic identities. Today we are going to see a more complex form. Let's take the form quantity a plus b plus c all cubed. We are going to use the same methods we used before to calculate these. We are going to group two of these terms, like a plus b, make it one, and then isolate the c, or vice versa, isolate a and group b plus c. But we are going to use the first one, so we'll get a plus b plus c all cubed, and we are going to apply the cube of the two terms. So let's go ahead. The first term is a plus b, so a plus b cubed plus 3 times a plus b squared times c plus 3 times a plus b times c squared plus c cubed. And that's it. All we have to do is to develop this now, make our calculations. So the first part becomes a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now the second one becomes plus 3c times a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus the third term now, c squared, 3c squared actually, times a plus b, and then plus c cubed. We are going to rearrange that and we'll get ourselves a formula. So if we get a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed plus 3a squared c plus 6abc plus 3b squared c plus 3c squared a plus 3c squared b plus c cubed. And now look at the cubes here. If you look at the cubes, you will see when now we have a plus b plus c cubed is just equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed plus now the a squared, 3a squared b plus 3a squared c. You see here, now the b squared plus 3b squared a plus 3b squared c now the c squared plus 3c squared a plus 3c squared b now plus 6abc. And this is a formula you can use to do these complex calculations. Okay, so no matter how many terms you have to cube or to square, you just group them to get two terms and you go from there. So just an example of it. We are going to use this to calculate in a small example with 3 terms and see what we get. Okay, so in our next example, we will try to get quantity 2x plus 3y plus 8 all cubed. y plus 8 all cubed. We are definitely going to use our formula. So the first term cubed plus second term cubed plus third term cubed first. So we get the quantity 2x cubed plus 3y cubed plus 8 cubed. Now the first one, 3 times the first term multiplied by the second term, so 3 times 2x squared times 3y plus the first term again squared 3 times and then multiply by the third term, 3 times 2x squared times 8 plus 3 times 3y squared times 2x. Okay, times 2x plus 3 times 3y squared times 8. Now we take the 8 plus 3 times 8 squared times 2x plus 3 times 8 squared times 3y plus 6 times 2x times 3y times 8. Is this already a good result? But we can go further and make these calculations. We get like 8x cubed plus 27 y cubed plus 8 times 8 times 8, that is 512. Okay, plus 3 times 4 times 3, that is 36 x squared y plus 3 times 4 times 8, 96 x squared. Okay, plus 3 times 9, 27 times 2, 54 y squared x, or xy squared. Okay, now plus 3 times 9 times 8, otherwise we have 72 times 3. 70 times 3 is 210 and 6, 216 y squared plus 64 times 6, is it 276 x 384 here, because we have 64 times 6. Okay, 6 times 6, so 384. And then the next one, we get 9 times 64. So 64 times 10 is 640 minus 64, 576. Y plus 6 times 6, 36 times 8. This is the one that is going to get us, is it 288 XY. Okay. We can leave it in that format, or we can rearrange. It's all the same thing. So finally we can say, if we try to rearrange, doesn't matter, but we can say it's 8x cubed plus 27y cubed so plus 36x squared y okay, plus 96x squared okay, plus we have still 54xy squared plus 384x plus 288xy now we get 216 plus 576y plus 512 finally. So I hope you understand the principles. The idea is to understand how to use these in practical math. So when you have a situation like this, feel free to grab these type of formulas. These are very important and they save time. If you have to reproduce all these for every calculation, it take long time to do these type of calculations. This is why we need to use the algebraic identities. I hope this will serve you, and this was the last video on the identities, and we will move to other topics one, and you come up when you finish video number 10, everything should be fine. You will understand algebraic identities, and you will use it in your math sessions. Thank you. Bye.